Welcome back, food lovers. Today we're going to be making a pea tortellini and broccoli pasta, inspired by a recipe we have at the restaurant. This one is much simpler. Only 5 ingredients and done in 15 minutes. Let's go. First, prepare your water for blanching the broccoli. Then we're going to be cutting them in half or in quarters, making sure they're a nice size, keeping the texture for this dish. Next, we're going to be having our ice bath ready to go right after we're done blanching the vegetables. This might sound weird, but I taste my blanching water to make sure it's seasoned enough. It has to taste like the ocean to season the vegetable from the inside and keep the color. Generally, we want to keep the vegetables in there for about 5 minutes or until they're cold. Next, I'm going to start my cream sauce and let it simmer. Optionally, I'm creating Parmigiano shavings as my garnish for this dish. Once your water is boiling, we're going to yeet them in until they float. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper, some butter, and our grated cheese. Throw in your broccoli, your cooked tortellini, and a little bit of starchy pasta water to loosen the sauce. And there you have it. The pea tortellini with ricotta and leeks.
Broccoli's sauce!
5 ingredients, 15 minutes. What more can you ask for? I've been dying to taste this again. So good. Now, if you're enjoying the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe to see more recipes, and if you'd like to see how I make these pea tortellinis from scratch, stay tuned. See you next time.